Hello and welcome to the calculator guide video on solving linear simultaneous equations on a Casio fx-CG100. We're going to do two questions in this video. The first one is a pair of equations with two unknowns, and the second one will be a system of three equations with three unknowns. The first question, we need to solve the linear simultaneous equations 3x plus 4y equals 29, 2x minus y equals 1. From the home menu, navigate down to equation using the arrows or press A as a shortcut. And in equation, select the first option, simultaneous. In this first question, we have two unknowns, so select that option. Using the template here, carefully input the coefficients of the equations that we have and press execute to enter each time. 3x plus 4y equals 29, and 2x and minus y we would input as minus 1, with the y already being preset. That equals 1. Press execute one last time to solve. And here we have the solutions, x equals 3 and y equals 5. In the second question, we're going to solve a system of three equations with three unknowns. X plus y plus 2z equals 6, 4x minus 2y plus 2z equals 3, minus 2x plus 6y minus 2z equals 13. As we are already in the simultaneous equation solver, what I'm going to do from here is just press return twice to change the number of unknowns, and we'll go down to 3 and press OK. Once again, use the template here to input the equations carefully as written. We just want to input the coefficients as the variables are already preset. I'm going to speed the video up here, but you may want to pause and take your time. And once you've entered those, just press execute one more time to solve. And here we have the solutions. X equals 2, y equals 3, and z equals 0.5. Incidentally, if you did want to go back and check your input, if you weren't too sure if you had the correct results here, you can navigate between the two using the tab navigation keys here at the top to flick between the editor and the results page. So there we go, how we can solve linear simultaneous equations on the Casio fx-CG100. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you next time on the Calculator Guide.